what it encourages and supports in us is this deeper intimacy with life through quality, embodied presence. And it supports us to connect more profoundly with the truth of who we really are. And from this place of connection to self, we can then connect more authentically with others and with life. And many conscious dancers question me about if this is the case with bliss dance, that it deepens us in connection and intimacy with one another and with life. How can this be practiced online where we're not in the same room as the other dancers? So how can we really be in connection? And in my experience, the online space has added a huge other dimension to my dance practice. And it's really extended me into places I otherwise would not have discovered if I'd only continued to dance in person. And so in that sense, COVID has been a blessing, because since then I've been holding online classes, and I've discovered it offers me a unique opportunity to discover more subtle layers of self without distraction from outside of myself. And it's in the online space that I get to unravel and reveal even more of who I am to myself, while at the same time still being held in the field of the other dancers. Because in my experience, we do actually feel one another so much more than we actually realize. So even when we can't see each other, we're still feeling each other. And the container of the other dancers helps me to drop more deeply into my own process and my own journey.